Welcome to Ved AI Library, a powerful AI-driven tool that transforms how educators create and manage academic content quickly and easily. Ved AI Library lets you instantly generate AI-based worksheets, assignments, question banks, and question papers with ease. Explore preloaded NCERT resources by choosing the class and subject. You can quickly generate flashcards by choosing the number, making revision and practice faster and more effective. Quizzes can also be generated. If you prefer, you can also upload your own materials and access them under My Resources to generate customized flashcards and quizzes. Create AI-powered worksheets by selecting the subject, class, chapter, and topic. Choose question types like MCQs, fill in the blanks, short answers and so on, along with number of questions and difficulty level, then the worksheet will be ready instantly. Reports can be viewed and worksheets can be printed as well. Next, we have easy assignment creation. Simply select the class, subject, chapters, and topics relevant to your needs. Then, choose the types of questions you want and specify the number of questions for each type. With just one click, Ved AI generates a tailored assignment. The generated assignments are also available for printing. Question Paper Generator. Start by setting up the complete framework of your question paper by selecting the class, subject, exam date, start time, duration, number of parts, and the question types with their respective marks. Once the structure is defined, you can easily add questions from multiple sources, MCB resources, your curated question bank, or auto-generated questions from Ved AI. Once the questions are added, you have the option to thoroughly review the entire question paper to ensure accuracy, and the question paper can be published and made ready for printing or distribution. For printing, you have full flexibility. You can take bulk prints for the entire class or select specific sections and individual students to generate personalized, student-wise question papers. With Ved AI, educators can create high-quality academic resources effortlessly and focus more on teaching than manual preparation. MCB, Empowering Education with Technology.